It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Maricel Maria, Captain Maria. Oo. Gusto na ko thank you for being such a good person and a kind one. Grabe ko maski pag busy ka sa imong trabaho, permente. Pero naghatag pud gyapon ng time sa mo as a captain ba. Gusto lang na ako is good health lang permente sa imo ug sa mga anak, and then more birthdays to come. We love you so much. Tapos stay who you are. Thank you for being such a good person and a kind one, Jud. And once again, happy birthday. I love you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Forever Team Basher. This day is the birthday of our Captain Maria, my BFF. BFF, happy birthday to you, and more blessings and good health. And I hope sana mahanap mo na yung the one mo. At sana wag kang lukuhin, di ba? Baka masuntok ko sila. Okay? And then, almost 3 years our friendship, di ba? Sana tuloy-tuloy lang, no? And sana ngayong araw na to ay happy ka because your birthday. I love you, BFF, and I miss you.